What's up? Your boy Bishop the DJ just got done making that podcast like a mixtape mix. What's up? And as you see, I'm ready to do an unboxing because I ordered those Jordan 1 Mocha joints. And the funny thing about me ordering that, I never had a pair of 1's before. Mind you, I'm 48 years old. I've been buying J's since they first came out. You feel me? My first pair was the 3's. And for some reason, I don't know what made me do it, but I did it. And I got them. And they just came in today. I ordered them the day they was released instead of me going to the store and trying to chance getting them. You feel me? I ain't want to miss out. The hype over these shoes is what made me do it. Size 10, of course. Got them off the sneaker app, the Nike sneaker app. Y'all aren't familiar with that. I missed Jordan 4, what they call that shit, shot drop or whatever the fuck they call that shit. Anyhow, here we go. I never even had a pair of kicks this color, much less a pair of Jordan 1's. You heard? Here we go. That's what they looking like. They fresh. I just had, I'm gonna do a on foot type of, probably I'll do a video for the on foot thing, but people that know me know I rock J's and I always rock them right. So I've never had an issue with how to rock them and what to rock them with. I got some camouflage shit that I can blend in with this. For the most part, these not bad looking. Yeah. As I said before, I never ever had a pair of 1's, ever. Usually it go from the 2's or the 3's on up, and I might stop at the 11's. I'm real picky about certain J's that I wear. I'm not a reseller, but I have done that a lot in the past, especially when phone posits was popping. When I got rid of my whole phone posit collection, that shit went quick. Anyhow, I might even think about selling these. I might post it for a few days before I decide to rock these. If I sell them, if I make some money off them, oh well, that's a good thing. If not, I'm gonna rock them. Who knows, I might change my mind tomorrow morning, look at them and say fuck it, and rock them. You heard? Anyhow, True OG get down like that. That's my team. Anyhow, you gotta excuse the way I'm doing this, but hey, I probably would have rocked them earlier. We did a video shoot earlier today. They came maybe about 5 or 10 minutes after I left out the house, for real. I got the notification, so there they go. Not bad. Honestly speaking, I don't really see what the hype is over the 1's, but I got my first pair. That's why I say I probably will rock these anyhow, just to show off, just to say that I got them. Alright, there you go. It's your boy Bishop the DJ, unboxing. Here we go. Peace out, y'all. Make sure y'all check me for that True OG podcast like a mixtape. Posting up tomorrow. Follow me for the info. If you want more info on how to get that or how to listen for it, hit me in the comments. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. We're going to be doing more unboxing.